What's going on, guys? Now I have something special for you guys today. It's called the Buffway Minimalist Front Pocket Wallet. Okay, very slim, very modern. They have different designs for you to choose from. I think they have leather, they got carbon fiber, and a few other options. It says that it holds 8 cards, but for me personally, not including my ID, I got about 12 cards to be in here with a $20 bill. So I'm thinking this wallet here, for me personally, was a great choice. It's so much slimmer, even with all the cards in it, than my other previous wallet, which was supposed to be a slim wallet. Okay, this wallet only costs $12.99 on Amazon. Now, if this is something that you guys are interested in picking up, I will definitely throw a link in the description for you guys so you can go out and pick one up. Add it to your cart and have it to you in 2 days if you have Amazon Prime. And no, I am not sponsored by this product at all. I am not sponsored by Amazon in any way, shape, or form. This is just something that I wanted to show you guys because I was excited to get it in the mail, and I'm excited from using it for the last 2 or 3 weeks and how well this thing holds up and how slim it is. I don't even feel it in my back pocket. I don't feel it in my front pocket. It's not this bulge that I'm sitting on with a bunch of different cards in it and cash that could easily be put in the bank and used on a debit card or other options. This particular wallet is Amazon's choice and has over 40,000 good reviews on it. Okay, very good buy for me. Super cheap, super durable. It's not cheap materials. It's not sewn crappy. It's a great wallet for a great price. Like I said before, I will put a link down in the description for you guys below so you can pick one up yourself if you are in the market for a new slim wallet. That's going to be it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one.